Carboxylic acid, esters, and amides. Carboxylic acid, esters, amides are three families of organic molecules that contain carbonyl group, bonded to an element more electronegative than carbon. First, let's take a look at the carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid contains carboxy group. Carboxylic acid, often abbreviated as RCOOH. This is the structure of carboxylic acid. This is a carboxy group, carbonyl group plus hydroxy group is altogether called a carboxy group. This is the R group. Next, let's take a look at the ester. Ester are carbonyl compounds that contain the acyl group. Acyl group is the oxygen bound to an R group. This is bonded to the carbonyl group. This carboxyl bound to the carbonyl. This carbonyl group. This is carboxyl group. Esters are often abbreviated as RCOOR prime. This is the structure. This is carbonyl group. This is carboxyl group. Alkoxy group. The alkoxy group bonded to carbonyl carbon. The last one is amides. Amides are carbonyl compounds that contain a nitrogen atom bonded to the carbonyl carbon. Three levels. The first one is primary amide, contain only one CN bond. The secondary amide contains two CN bonds. The tertiary amide contains three CN bonds. Let's take a look at the structures. This is the general structure of amide. This is the primary amide. You see, there's only one CN bond here. There's a nitrogen bond to the carbonyl carbon. This is the secondary. This is the one. This is another one. It's a nitrogen bond to the R group. This is the CN bond. It's the CN bond. The tertiary then has three CN bonds. Bound three carbons. This is 1, 2, 3. This is a tertiary amide. Next, let's take a look at the cyclic esters and amide. Cyclic ester is called a lectone. Cyclic amide is called lactone. Beta-lactam is the cross structure of beta-lactam antibiotics, including penicillin. This is the structure. This is a lactone. This is a lactam. This ring contains oxygen. This amide. This ring contains the nitrogen. This is cyclic amide. This is cyclic ester. Let's take a look at the definition of acyl compound. Acyl compound. This is the structure of the acyl group, RCO. This is carbonyl group, and plus the R group. This altogether is called the acyl group. Acyl compound, carboxylic acid, esters, and amide are acyl compounds that contain acyl group. This group are linked to a carbonyl group. This is the acyl group.